Okay, here we are at the simulation. Basically, just play with the simulation. Okay, you can turn on cameras, you can turn off the sun, you can turn off the camera, you can turn the camera back on, you can turn the sun back on, you can change all of it, you can change time scale. Okay, so play with this for a few minutes with the idea, remembering always that our question is, where does the moon get its light? Once you've figured out from this simulation where the moon gets its light, you go back to your template, right? Your investigation question. Sorry, here it is. Where does the moon get its light? What we did in class, hey, we played with the simulation, right? What did you learn? Draw the model and explain where the moon gets its light from using what you learned here. Also, I can highly recommend that you draw exactly what you see, not what you think you see. All right, and really focus on this one. Okay, when you're done with that, and it's very straightforward, you guys, it's not super complicated. When you're finished with this one, make sure you then go to assignment 9. Okay, and assignment 9 says dark side of the moon, and you'll notice the directions. Question is, why does the dark half of the moon always face away from the sun? Okay, again, you're going to complete a page in your notebook, a new page. The same page? No, a new page in your notebook using the template, same template. Your investigation question is, why does the dark half of the moon always face away from the sun? Okay. Again, you're going to use the simulation. And again, you're going to draw and write using the model, thinking about, you guys, remember the light unit? How does light travel? How does light travel? Okay. Is it straight lines? Is it curved? Right? Things like that. This is not complicated. Okay. And then any new questions you have. Those of you who are doing the electronic copy, you would go ahead, you would just make a copy of this whole page. You know, you can duplicate the slide. You can click on it, duplicate slide. It'll duplicate the whole thing and just put the right answers in. Okay, remembering that you have to include illustrations. So if you're doing the electronic copy, you're either including shapes here, right? Drawing those shapes, coloring them in, or screenshots and an explanation, right? So include your text box, put a screenshot in there with your explanation. These are the 2 assignments you need to finish today. If you do an electronic copy, you can submit it. Those of you who are doing it in your notebook, you can just show it to me the next time we're in class. Okay, then when you're done with that, Mr. Marcus will give you the instructions, but you'll be doing a GimKit, or if I have time today, I'll also put a Bookit on there. So you can choose from those 2 review games in order to practice the concepts that you need to understand for the season summative. Okay? So don't forget, part 1 is assignment 8. Part 1 is assignment 8. Part 2, your question is, why does the dark half of the moon always face away from the sun? Using a new investigation page in your notebook, a new slide on your presentation, using the same simulation, answer that question. Okay? Do your best. If you have any questions, send me an email. All right, that's it. Bye.